Good morning children. Hope you all are fine. This is grade 3 science class. Now we are doing revision. Today we will do day 5 revision. So in the previous classes we have completed day 1 and day 1 to day 4 revision from block 1 and block 2. So now today we are starting block 3 revision. So in that what did we learn in block 3? We have learned S1 safety at home and S2 safety on the roads. So what are the safety measures to be followed at home and the safety precautions to be followed on the roads? Let us revise from the reader. Now children, open your reader, page number 22. Accidents and safety. Keeping safe from accidents is important for all of us. So keeping safe from the accidents is important for all of us. Accidents can happen anywhere, at home, in school, on road or in the playground. Safety at home. Homes are considered safe places, but there are many dangers even inside homes. Homes are considered to be a safest place, but there are many dangers even occurring inside homes. One can slip if the floor is wet and get hurt or fracture a bone. And running or playing inside the house can be risky. Playing with pointed things or glassware can even cause cuts. And poking into electrical switches can be dangerous. Lighting firecrackers during Diwali, especially anars, can cause burns. One can fall down a staircase or from rooftops while flying kites. So some important safety rules at home. Wipe the floor if it is wet. Do not play with breakable or pointed things. Have a bucket full of water nearby when lighting firecrackers. Do not fly kites on rooftops or chase kites across rooftops. And do not touch electrical switches with wet hands. And do not jump over the dividers to cross the road. Safety on the road. Accidents can happen if we are not careful on the road. Some important safety rules while walking or cycling on the road. Walking on the footpath, look to your right, then left and then right again before crossing the road. Learn to ride a cycle well before riding it on the road. Follow traffic signals while walking or driving on the road. Now we'll see practice questions, children. Today you are going to practice, revise first to fourth one. True or false? Children are in no danger inside their homes. Are they not in danger inside their homes? No, even inside their home also there is having danger if we are careless. Anar is a very safe firecracker. No, it is false. We should not touch electrical switches with wet hands. True. Explain the danger in flying kites on rooftops. So, you are going to explain the danger if you fly the kites on rooftops. Learn the answer and revise it. Is it correct to run across the road when a vehicle is at a distance away? Is it correct thing? So, we have to follow some safety precautions. What did we learn in our lesson? We have learned safety precautions. And we have learned what are the do's and don'ts. What we should do on the road, what we should not do on the road. So is it correct to run across the road? No. Why or why not? It may lead to an accident. When cycling on the road, why should you not rush to cross a yellow traffic light? Because the vehicles will be in a ready position. So when cycling on the road, you should not rush to cross the yellow traffic light. So read all these answers, children, but you are not going to write first one and you are not going to write first and third one, children. You are going to write second and fourth one in your revision part. Explain the danger in flying kites on rooftops, and when cycling on the road, why should you not rush to cross a yellow traffic light? So learn this answer and write 2 times in your classwork in the day 5 revision. Now we'll see the workbook part. Now page number 19. Safety at home. Write how you can prevent the accidents given in the pictures from happening. So children, in the exam you may get the different pictures. So what you have to learn? According to the picture, if you learn safety precautions at home, you can attempt any of the picture is given in the exam. So if you learn the safety precautions, whatever it is given in the reader, here the safety rules at home and safety rules on the road, you are going to learn this. Then you can easily write this kind of pictures. If any pictures are given, you can easily write there. So what is the danger? How can you prevent this? Learn this and practice. Now see the second one, safety on the road. So what are the safety rules given in the reader? You are going to practice thoroughly, read it thoroughly, then you can write whatever question is given in the exam, children. So your friend is walking on the footpath, you call out to him from the other side of the road. How can your friend have an accident there? So if your friend crosses the road without looking at the both sides, he can get hit by a car. And how can he avoid the accident? By looking left and right side, both sides of the road before crossing it. And you are playing a football in the park near a busy road. Your friend's Shikar kicks the ball and it bounces across the road. So how can your friend have an accident there? So without looking at the both side, if she runs towards the ball, then she can have an accident there. And how can she avoid the accidents? In this way, they may give any of the pictures or any of the situations they may give here. You have to understand, you have to thorough with the safety rules given in the reader. Read all the safety precautions, safety measures given in the reader. The safety rules should be followed at home and safety rules should be followed on the roads. If you thorough with that, you can attempt any of the questions given in the exam, children. So learn it, learn all the questions, practice it, children.